Just as no two people are identical, no two applicants are the same. And remember, this part is completely optional. Start on the Writing tab on the left. This is your chance to give some additional information to give context to the rest of your application. Real people are looking at your application, and they care about all the experiences that you've had that have led up to this point in your academic career. For example, maybe there was a particularly challenging time in your life that would give more context to the grades you received. Talk about it here. Maybe you moved or got sick, or had a big family or personal change that the admissions team would need to know about as they review your application. This is not required, but this would be the perfect opportunity to fill them in. If you include letters of recommendation, ask people you know very well with plenty of notice in advance. Click on Invite Recommenders, then choose their role in your life. Their titles are less important than how well they know you and how they can speak on your personal strengths and academic abilities. And that's it. Time to hit submit. You completed your college application. Congratulations.